Oh, rider din pala si Bossing, oh. Dito tayo ngayon sa Villa Negro Cafe. Yun, nasa baba yung kainan, no? Oh. Overlooking the looking. Malis na Roro. Alam place, oh.
Itong pangalan, di pwede sa Amerika to.
Itong place natin, shop. Ha?
Itong pangalan ng meron ka bang kape, hindi pwede sa Amerika? Oo, delikado.
Tanong ko lang po. Dali ang available lang po namin siya ba?
Shabata. O sige, bigyan ko na lang ako ng ano. Ilang slices yung shabata?
Shamatanda.
Isang order po.
Ganon kalaki yung shabata.
Hindi lang po.
Surprise na surprise!
Meron kayong hinihiwang ham? Meron. Slice lang meron.
Parang yung beef tapa
Ano
rin
yung sauce ng seafood pasta?
beef tapa.
Tomato based?
Papunta tayo doon sana tayo.
Ayos lang yan. Relax. Walang...
Hindi naman naaalis yung Marinduque. Nandiyan
Oo.
lang yan.
Tsaka may sakyan tayo, eh.
Sunny side up.
So, nandito tayo ngayon sa
Dalawang beef tapa.
Bali, apat.
Villa Negro Coffee
Tatlo na ano ba?
Cafe
Lima.
Dessert. Dessert?
Isa pa.
Lima po kay lima po.
Okay, so...
Sunny side up na din po yung egg.
Yes, yes.
Okay, yun ha. Sunny side egg na lahat. Yan, no? Napakaganda rito. Overlooking the beach. No? Yan, no?
Tubig rin.
Beef tapa ka?
Hindi. Po, bali dalawa lang daw po pala yung available na beef tapa.
Ganun ba?
Ano ba na lang yan?
Ay, na, papalitan ko. Na order namin. Ito na order namin, no? Ayun, no? Kay Joey, no? Sarap. Ito, sarap kay Joey. Parang nasa Maynila ka lang.
Parang nasa Paris lang.
Tanga-tanga lang. Ito, porchis, oh.
Baka nakakalimutan mo ako.
Sorry. Si Biscal pala, tapos si Sorry. Wala ka, parang nasa Maynila lang, eh. Ayan. Ano yan? Yun, cold cuts, oh. Asan yung cold cuts? Yun, oh. Baklas ito, Italian, no? O yan, nagugutom na talaga yung attorney, oh. Oh. So, we have the owner here of Villa Negro. What's your first name again, sir?
Giorgio.
Oh, Giorgio. The owner of Armani.
May mga riders yung nakamakain dito.
Giorgio is the owner.
I can drive you down to the cross.
He's the owner of... No need. We will just follow. Don't bother. We will we'll find our way.
So why is it asking me to turn right here?
Saan?
Because it's a shortcut but pangit.
I see.
With the owner.
To the Baranacan Road.
Yung chocolate.
All the way here.
Asan yung tsokolate?
Okay.
Jerome,
It has to be-
chocolate. Yeah, we just continue the...
Hingi tayong plastic.
I
Suglad?
can drive you there if you want.
No, don't bother. We will we'll find our way. Thank you very much.
Test also the...
Okay. That's it. That's good.
Then on the cross, yeah, we come back you guys.
Okay, that's good.
And then Balanacan, and then this one is...
Don't worry, I will drive you until Bokbo. Then from
Alright.
there, you go Santa Cruz, I will come.
Okay, thank you. That's good. If it's not bothering you, ha?
So I will test also the long suspension.
Iga plastic. Yeah, they want to go to that.
Oh, you don't go to that.
Oh, so
Alaska. How's the Alaska?
Okay.
You are
You're gonna be right.
Si Jerome. Wala, Tagalog. Tsaka to. Tanong ng tanong. Ikaw, tanong mo. Tanong mo sa
So he has to...
Italiano yun.
he has to-
Buongiorno yan, eh.
Better do that in Jordan.
Si Emil, di makasagot din, no? Si Emil. Ano, eh. Iniisip din yung English, eh. No?
Hindi ba makalimutan?
Iniisip din yung English na sasabihin, eh. Advance.
kaya magsalita.
Are you, thinking of what?
Dave job. When they say you were to do.
And
If
then
you have
this is where
problems
we
with
wanna
Las
go,
Piñas
right?
City, you just talk to this guy.
Until here, right? And then we'll just go way past to Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz.
Ayun.
Picture mo kami.
Oh, sorry.
Yan ang resibo.
And when you